I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying capability and connection. Confirm the Hisense TV supports AirPlay 2 or has the Apple TV app, because that's the protocol we'll use. Once done, make sure your iPhone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. AirPlay won't work across different networks. Now open Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring. This starts device discovery. You're initiating the handshake between devices, which prepares the TV to accept the incoming stream. Next, choose your Hisense TV from the screen mirroring list. You're telling your iPhone the exact display to cast to. If the TV shows an AirPlay code, type that code on your iPhone to authorize the connection. This prevents random casting attempts. If mirroring doesn't begin immediately, switch the TV to the Apple TV app or the AirPlay input so the TV is actively listening. Doing these steps completes the secure pairing and starts the video and audio stream. Finally, verify playback. You should see the iPhone screen mirrored on the Hisense TV. If you don't, stop and retry the screen mirroring toggle on your phone. To finish, end mirroring from Control Center or use the TV remote home button. If performance is poor, make sure devices are nearer to the router and reboot the router and TV to clear network congestion. As a key troubleshooting tip, update both the TV firmware and iOS. Mismatched software often causes AirPlay failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.